The Meghalaya State Cabinet on August 7 approved a new rule to allow home delivery of liquor by licensed wine shops in the state. Here is what government spokesperson James Sangma has to say.
In the cabinet today, the first agenda that was discussed was pertaining to the introduction of a new rule 286 in brackets A and rule 316 in brackets A subsection 1 to 22 on the license for home delivery of liquor by wine shops in the Meghalaya Assam Excise Rules 1945.
The cabinet also agreed to fill the 13 vacant posts of Child Development Project officers in the Social Welfare Department.
There are 13 posts that are vacant right now for the posts of CDPOs, and there are many officers presently who are discharging their duties holding dual charges. In fact, 10 officers who are holding dual charge, and it is a very big strain on them. Therefore, the government, the Department of Social Welfare brought a proposal to the cabinet to fill up these vacant posts, 13 namely, on contract basis, owing to the urgency of the situation. And this matter was discussed, and the cabinet has agreed to the proposal of the social welfare for appointment of these vacant posts of CDPO on contract basis.
Furthermore, the cabinet also amended the Meghalaya Transport Cooperation Rules 1976.
Basically, there was an insertion of new rule, and I'll read the insertion. So the corporation may, I'll repeat, with the previous sanction of the state government, okay, borrow money for the purpose of raising its working capital or meeting any expenditure of a capital nature, or for undertaking commercial projects for raising additional funds or for purposes other than raising capital in the open market.
It was also decided that the Independence Day celebration this year will be a low-key celebration due to the present COVID-19 pandemic.
Due to the pandemic, it was decided that the districts would take the salute by the district officials, and Shillong would be the place where Honorable Chief Minister would take the salute.
Meanwhile, the cabinet has also agreed to set up the Meghalaya Health Systems Strengthening Project, which aims to develop the basic infrastructure of the health system in the state.
This is a project which is an externally aided project, and the project aims to develop or to contribute to overall health sector development in the state by strengthening the basic health function, public health function, and improving access to quality healthcare to people of Meghalaya. The project will be financed by the government of Meghalaya and the World Bank, 80% and 80% by World Bank and 20% by the government of Meghalaya, and would function under the direction of the Project Steering Committee headed by the Additional Chief Secretary / Commission Secretary, Finance Department.
TNT Bureau.